I just found a tool that will pay you for your TikTok clips just by adding music to your videos. So if you post TikToks and know how to get views, then there's a new way you can earn money just by using music on your videos. This tool is called clipwave.io, and with this platform, you will get paid per 1,000 views with just using audio on your videos. So throughout this entire video, I'm going to show you guys how to use this. And if you want to be a clipper using Clipwave, then you need to sign up using my link in the description, because that is the only way you're going to get early access. So make sure you do that if you want to start making money with Clipwave today. So once you click the link in the description and sign up, you will then come to this page. And this is where, if you're a creator, you click that. Or if you are a music artist and you want to make a campaign for yourself, then you will click I'm an artist. For this case, for us clippers, you're going to click I'm a creator. And this is where it'll bring you to the creator waitlist. This is why you want to use my link, because if you sign up here, then it will ultimately take you longer to get in. So more about Clipwave. Clipwave pays for performance, and all of these campaigns are funded before you post. And it's really as simple as no performance, no payout, and that's the deal. What I love about Clipwave is that there are no follower minimums. These campaigns are real budgets. Artists and managers are funding these campaigns up front because they want to get more traction to their music. There's automatic performance tracking, so everything will update in real time. Views are verified, no screenshots, no disputes. You'll get paid everything through Stripe, and all of these clips can be submitted on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. So I'm going to sign into my account and walk you guys through the entire process. Okay, so I'm in my account. So obviously the first things you want to do is verify your email address. You want to connect your TikTok or your YouTube channel, and then of course setting up your Stripe. So when you're in Clipwave, it will take you to the dashboard and it will show you all the active campaigns. As of now, there's only one active campaign. So keep that in mind when you join Clipwave. There won't be too many campaigns just because it is a new platform, but make sure you keep checking it out because there will be more campaigns to come. So I wanted to test this campaign out for myself. I have a finance clipping account for Caleb Hammer, and it has 64,000 followers. Essentially, I post financial audit podcast clips. And so I'm going to utilize this song campaign in a video clip on this page. And essentially, this is what you can do with your page. If you have a popular streaming page, say for Neon or for any other podcast out there, there are ways you can utilize with using these music campaigns on these pages. So we're going to go back to active campaigns and we're going to click join campaign. And as you can see on this campaign, it is paying $1 per 1,000 views. So I'm going to play the first couple seconds of the song so we can tell what kind of video we want to make with it. So this song actually kind of gives me real nostalgic vibes. And so with my Caleb Hammer podcast page, I'm thinking I could show old footage of Caleb and with using this song at the same time. So I'm actually going to make a clip doing exactly that. Okay, so I'm now on Caleb Hammer's YouTube channel, and essentially I'm going to go to his oldest videos and I'm going to pull some clips from here to essentially make this a nostalgic video. I have all the footage that I have here in Premiere Pro. And so you can do the same thing with whatever platform you use, with it being Premiere Pro, you could use CapCut, whatever you have, you can do that. So I have all the footage. So now I'm going to pull in the music file. And to do that, essentially just go back to the campaign, go back to required sound and click download. And then after downloading it, you can just bring it into your software and you'll be all good. So now we can go through our footage and cut it accordingly. So I now have it all cut down and the video is only at 11 seconds and that's perfectly fine. I'm actually going to make this video a little bit more dynamic. So I'm going to go to my Premiere Guide toolkit. I'm going to go to overlays and then I'm going to go to old film frame, and then I can add a vibe like this to the video, increase the size of this, and then decrease the opacity just a little bit. Of course, you can do whatever you want to your video. You don't have to have any effects. You can add whatever effects you want. So the last effect I'm actually going to add, just to make it a little bit more dynamic, is a zoom in transition before each clip. And this is actually in Premiere Composer. So I'm going to add this between each clip. So I think this is all the effects I'm going to do. I'm going to add text on screen in the TikTok application. So this is what we have so far. So I'm going to export this and I'm now going to take this to the TikTok application and show you guys exactly how to post it. So let's go do that. So I have it in the TikTok application and the first thing you want to do is go back to Clipwave. So what you can do is go to your phone or on your PC and click open, and then it will open the soundtrack for you. So for myself on my phone, here is the soundtrack and I added it to my favorites so I can just go to that every time, or you could go down here and just click use sound. So now on my PC, I can go to sounds, favorites, original sound, And now I can add this to it, and then we can just mute our original video and then click save, and then it'll update everything through there. And now for myself, I just need to add text. So I'm gonna say, I miss the old Caleb hammer. We're gonna bring this down a bit. And then of course over here, you can select whatever style you want. I like this text as is. I'm not too picky about that right here. So you can just go through and see whatever you like. Click save again. And then in the description, make something subtle. I'm gonna say, been watching since OG Caleb. And then if you want, you can tag the creator in itself and then use hashtags that you use with your clips. So now I'm going to upload this clip, and then I'm going to show you guys how to submit it in the campaign. So we are now on the campaign. So I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to change this to TikTok because I did upload this on TikTok, and I'm going to select for my TikToks posted, and it will show my recent post. I'm going to select it. And then now all I need to do is click submit clip. And now my clip is submitted through here, and this will track every single view. And essentially this is the entire process with using Clipwave. And so I'm very interested to see how much I can earn from that clip alone that I just posted, with it being $1 per 1,000 views. And essentially you guys can do the same thing on your pages. I'm very interested to see what kind of TikToks or YouTube shorts you guys can come up with. And this is the possibility with just this one campaign. There are going to be more campaigns to come. And so with these clips, make sure you guys take your time and actually try to have it go with the vibe of the music, because that's really what's going to help your video. And keep in mind, everyone is going to earn a different amount on Clipwave just because you're getting paid per 1,000 views. So don't come in with the expectation that you're just going to earn a crap ton of money. You absolutely can if your video does pop off. But ultimately, I really like Clipwave just because it is very clear with what the expectations are on this platform. And I just think it's ultimately a very cool tool, the fact that you can get paid with using music on your clips. I personally have not heard of any tool like this out there, and the fact that this is new and that there are more campaigns to come just shows that there is a lot of opportunity here. So if you understand how to make clips and already get a lot of views, then this tool is definitely for you. But if you're just looking for guaranteed money just for posting, then this tool is not for you. And as I said earlier in the video, Clipwave is not fully open to the public yet, and the only way to get this is with early access and by signing up with Clipwave in the link in my description. They're giving me and my community early access, and I'm super grateful for that. You're ultimately going to get in before this platform gets too crowded, and you're going to be first in line when campaigns get added. So make sure you sign up right now as you're watching this video before you're competing with everyone else. And if any of you have any questions regarding this tool, let me know down below in the comments, and I'd love to help any of you out that have any specific questions. And I also have a free Discord community in the description, so you can also ask questions in there regarding clipping or anything else with Clipwave. And in my Discord, I'll continue to make updates with Clipwave when there are new campaigns out. So make sure you guys join that. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And I'll see you all in the next video.